Song from My Father. Introduction starts down on G and D. Then you're doing a G minor 9 chord. So it looks this way. Left hand is going to play B flat and F, and the other hand is going to play A, D, and G. B flat, F, A, D, G. Left hand, you're on a B flat and you're a fifth higher. Right hand, you're on the A, which is the 9, and then you're going up a fourth and a fourth. Remember this position because you're going to use it no matter where we move. Here we go. Now, I'm going to take that and I'm going to move it downward. So this B flat and A suddenly become A and E flat. And these three white keys move down stepwise. A, E flat, G, C, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same rhythm. So I'll go back to the G minor 9 chord. 1, 2. To G and D flat, and the other hand is moving down stepwise, but you have to stay in the key. So you have an F, then B flat, and an E flat. Those are in the key signature. And the rhythm changes and moving to a D9. So this hand moves to F sharp, C, E. Again, you're back to your fifths. Back to the E flat 9, and I would practice that a lot. So here's the first section. 1, 1, 1. Okay, and now where your hand is here, the E and the G are already there. The thumb moves over, and you're now in the G minor section. Here's the first section. 1, 2. F9, E flat 9, D9. Then you're back to the F9, to the D9. Same chords, but now the ending. 2 black keys, and then back to. Okay, this time I'm going to play it with the accompaniment. Hold on. To find the accompaniment. Here. I'm going to try to get it to play on here. Notes here. So I went to the jazz band area, went to audition music, and I'm going to the one backtrack. Doing the repeat. So all that is the that's as far as you go.